Huawei P Smart 2019 LCD screen replacement repair. To start with, just remove the SIM tray and take out the back cover. Just careful at this point for the fingerprint sensor flex. Remove the adhesive tape and unscrew the old screw on the metal plate before you can remove the battery. Now carefully remove the battery by removing the double-sided adhesive tape from beneath first. Now carefully remove the clear tape before you can get access basically to the LCD flex cable. Check frame for any remaining broken glass or anything dust or dirt or remaining adhesive tape on the frame before you can test on a new LCD screen. Yeah, the LCD screen is fine. It's working normally on all digits and everything, so it should be fine completely. Now to apply some B7000 glue, basically, as this screen is just a normal replacement screen, and I think they're not coming with the adhesive, the genuine one as well, but I'm not exactly sure about the genuine one. But the one I've got is, it doesn't have any adhesive at the back side, self-mounted adhesive, so I have to apply some glue before I can install the LCD screen on it. You can get this glue from online, eBay, or any hardware or electronic shop around you, and just for a few pounds, like £3 or £4 in UK. So I've installed the screen, and now I'm gonna put on some clips to it, so basically the glue can get hard and get dry beneath the LCD before I can put on other parts to it and give it a final go. So now it's almost about 20 to 25 minutes. Should be fine now. It looks quite hard, so I will now be installing the remaining part, the battery and rest of the parts, to give it a final go. Apply back the clear tape back on the sticky cloth. Connect all connector, which charging port, LCD, fingerprint sensor, as well as the battery.